Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to use a normal map generator. As you can see in the asset window, we have two main sections, the preset editor and the batch generator. In the preset editor, you can create presets for normal map settings. Then, in the batch generator, you can use these presets to generate assets for multiple sprites. Let's take a closer look at both of them. We'll start with the preset editor. In the preset editor, we have the preset management section. This section helps you save the settings from the main settings panel. Here, you can create a new preset, select an existing preset, update it, or delete it. In the main settings and advanced settings sections, you can find the core parameters that control the normal map generation. Let's go through each of them. Depth. The thickness of the object determines the radius of the distance field and how convex the shape appears. Sharpness. Sharpness defines how sharp or soft the edges look. Higher values create a hard surface appearance, while lower values produce softer, more organic slopes. Detail intensity. Detail intensity controls the strength of surface micro-details. Increasing this value makes texture noise and small imperfections more visible. Blur. Amount. Blur amount applies post-processing smoothing to the result. Use this to reduce noise or unwanted artifacts in the final normal map. Normal strength. Normal strength controls the contrast of the normal map. Higher values make the lighting react more strongly to the surface details. Invert Y. Invert Y flips the green channel of the normal map. This option is usually disabled for Unity, but it may be required for some specific shaders or engines. Quality. Quality controls the generation precision. Higher quality produces more accurate results, but it takes longer to process. For example, 1 is fast, while 3 provides the best quality. Let's generate a test normal map. If you only need a normal map for this single sprite, you can save it using the Save Normal button. If you want to reuse the same settings for other sprites, you can save them as an asset. Then, you can generate normal maps for multiple sprites using the batch generator. In the batch generator, you first need to select the preset you want to use. You can choose folders from which the normal maps will be generated, or you can select specific sprites. In the output settings, you can choose the folder where the generated normal maps will be saved. For now, let's generate a single normal map. Now, let's compare how the light affects the sprite without a normal map and with a normal map. As you can see, with a normal map applied, the sprite reacts to light much more realistically. The shadows feel more natural, and the surface details stand out clearly. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.